In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mark items as sold on Facebook Marketplace. So first things first, log into your Facebook account and go to Marketplace. It is over here in the left-hand sidebar when you are logged into Facebook, or you can just go to facebook.com/marketplace and it'll take you directly to the store itself. Then once you're ready, you want to go to Selling over here on the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see this, you should see a button here to flare this sidebar out. Go ahead and go to Selling. And then once under Selling, you'll see all of your active listings. Sometimes you will see this button here that says Mark as Sold. Now, other times you'll have to click on these three dots here, and there will be an option here that says Mark as Sold. I've found that it really just depends on if you're on mobile or whatever it may be. So you want to go ahead and click on the Mark as Sold button here, and then it'll ask you normally, like right here, if I click on this, it'll say, did you sell this on Facebook? Did you sell it somewhere else? You don't have to answer this. You can just click on I'd rather not answer. But if you're trying to get good feedback, you might want to go to yes, sold on Facebook, go to next. It'll give you a list of people you've chatted with, and you can select the one that you sold. If you accidentally mark something as sold, you can just click on mark as available, and it will repopulate that listing in all of the places where you had it previously, as you can see here. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.